Yeah.
What's up? What's up?
What are we gonna do today?
Come link up, sync up, link up, sync up. You a styler.
So we have listed down all the equipments we'll need for the setup of the office, and we are going to place an order for the equipments. Apart from that, I guess yeah, we have received a
Place an order
quotation
for equipment. Oh.
for the equipments, the one we need for office, like
For-
the table, the thermal printer,
Yeah.
and the sticker rolls,
Yeah.
tapes, and everything. Apart from
I
that,
added it in the card.
yeah. Okay, then we just have to place the order. And apart from that, we have also received quotation from our manufacturer for our raw material. And today we are going to negotiate with him and finalize the quotation and place an order.
How long will the manufacturer take once we place an order with them?
So-
Because then once we finalize packaging, आपला आला का फसायचा license
Today it will be
issue?
now when we place the order, first of all, he is going to get the raw material and create a sample batch for us. In sample batch, he is going to make us taste the sample, and when we approve it, then we'll go for the
And
commercial.
how long the sample batch will take?
Now that depends on how
And
quickly he
he's gonna
procures.
send it also then.
Yeah, he's going to send it because we have to taste before we go for a bulk order, right?
Yeah.
If we taste what sample is, and if the bulk order is very much different from what we tasted, we can go and tell it to him. So that is why the manufacturer itself has created that transparency between us and him, that he will first give us samples. When we approve the samples, then is the time that the commercial batch will go for. And at
And
the
we're
time,
just waiting for our Fasai license. Today, hopefully,
hopefully.
we will get it, and then we will give that to our designer, and he will put it on the packet label, and then done.
And anyways, lead time for manufacturing the raw material will be more than 15 days anyways, because packaging is going to take 15 days. Then the packets will go to Gujarat, and then they'll get packed all, then it will come back. So you hold a month. at
It's
least.
getting a matlab June end na. What are you saying, yaar? We were supposed to launch in May originally. June kela, June mid kela. Now you're saying June end. She bullshit July. I don't want to launch in fucking July. July is such a bad one. Cancer season.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll launch during your baby comes, sisters. Eat idli.
Idli.
Eat idli till the time we get edibles to you.
This and this and this madness. What?
Madness and badness.
That's
Some madness and badness combination.
First of all, we do not have any experience into pricing a product, right? So, shout out to Zebra Learn. We've been reading the book of Startupology. And even for me, like that is what Rushi is reading because it consists more of operations, brand development, equity, this, that, everything like pricing a product to listing it, distribution strategies, a lot of things. And for the other book, which is I think called Brandology, which I have, that makes you learn about campaigns, launch strategy, distribution again, social media platforms, how you're positioning your product, how are you branding your product, etc., etc. And उसमें like we've understood one thing कि अभी because like we've now figured out COGS in a way how you have to calculate it. Of course, there's the formula which comes, but then in the realistic world, there is a lot more you have to take into consideration according to your product type. Like for us, let's say if we are considering overheads, rupees 20, okay. But usme what all things come, like maybe logistics, maybe this, that, name. Like logistics doesn't come in overheads. Overheads is like other stuff. I think Rushi is the better person to talk. That's the thing. That's the thing. I am not into the financial department. I am into the creative brand. You ask me questions about anything related to branding, marketing, I'll say it. I'll answer it. I'll tell you my launch strategy. But now that, yeah, again now from June 20 till this day, I was thinking that maybe June 20, May say we came on to June first week, then we are coming on June 2015, whatever. And now he's saying that it will be June end. I don't want Edibles to be a cancer. Please. It's girl math. I don't want the birth of this brand in the world to be a cancer. July is not it. Anyways, we're co-founders is in LDR. It's literally long distance relationship as co-founders because our packaging unit and office is in Nashik. I stay in Navi Mumbai. Our target audience is in Mumbai, India One. Most of my venue scouting or like activations and everything, we're gonna have it in Mumbai. So Lucy has to keep constantly coming back and forth. You have to set up here. We have to set up our standard of procedures where the packing and everything is gonna happen. Kind of like D2C something, which is of course is gonna be leading the brand in the back end with our website and whoever orders like that and like in boxes and everything. But our main thing is going to be B2B in parallel, which is where we're going to reach out to cafes and bars and do activations and collaborations. So hopefully I do hopefully and fingers crossed so much I realize कि जैसे कि पता नहीं क्या but ठीक है यार universe is listening and wait I will keep a separate video on what sort of activations I'm thinking and in launch strategy, what how I have planned it through. Because I just feel if I put it out there, maybe I'll attract more of the universe vibes, and by that I mean watchers who might connect me to the like-minded, related people who will make those activations possible and collaborations possible. But yeah, I'm so excited. We have successfully created a K-Talk bank account and I see we have shut it because it's not worth it, guys. You don't get the maker, the card which you get where you get the CVV written at the back. We didn't get it in IC and in K-Talk we do get it, and that's much better in banking when there are two co-founders is because then we can operate on our own terms. We will have our own CVV, we can do our own payments, and they're just better rather than like a bunch of alphabets at the bottom of the card. That's it. See you next. The great part about setting up Razorpay payments is when you have all your documents sorted, very easy for you to just set it up within minutes because you have everything in hand, you have everything under the max file size which is 20 MB, and it's a smoother process when everything is aligned and you're just like uploading, everything is connected, KYC is done, CKYC is done. So another tip that keep your documents ready in terms of you can use Google Drive. I use Notion. Amazing app. Like, look at this. Yeah, I've put a legal and finance document where I've mentioned GST certificate, PAN card, blah blah blah. The files are attached, the type, the status, etc.
Magaling ka sa kailangan sa kanila rin.
Yeah. Done. ओपन कसं करता हे डायरेक्ट ना ओपन होता व्हॉट्सअपच्या याच्यामध्ये व्हॉट बुलशिट यार अँड्रॉइड इज फॉर बेफालतू सो कन्फ्युजिंग दिस इज आवर बोर्ड फॉर why are you looking so small? This is our board. I'll do it as a transition and then the board will.
What do we have here? What do we have here?
This is the make do board for our bank verification. Yes.
Now will you come down, please?
Let's see. What are we seeing?
We are seeing the space that we need to utilize for our inventory.
Which needs to be non-humid, non-sunlight, and
Sunlight.
Huh?
It will be humid. It is aluminium.
कॅमेरा खाली येऊनच गरम होत आहे. कसं म्हणजे सगळे पॅकेट गरम पिघलून जातील. ऋषी, everything is open from there.
Close that. It's okay.
It is very humid. I can feel the humidity.
मग humidifier घ्यायलाच लागेल त्याच्यासाठी.
अरे हो, पण बंद झाला पाहिजे सगळं आणि इट नीड्स टू बी कूल.
फॅन वगैरे म्हणजे पूर्ण हवा पाहिजे.
But it will be closed now from
Yeah,
all
yeah.
places.
We'll take those. We'll make it a better place. Now you click a picture, ask Gemini. We want to make a inventory.
जेमिनाला तर असं काम लावतोय म्हणजे काय माहिती नाही.
And then we'll just tell.
शिट मॅन. ऋषी,
काय?
इथून पण ओपन आहे.
अरे पण थोडंसं ओपन राहायचंच तू हवेसाठी.
हवा नाही पाहिजे.
अरे पण म्हणजे
कॉन्सेप्ट समजताय का? हे बंद करायला गेले इथे दरवाजा असायला पाहिजे बस. दिस कांट बी सो बिग अँड ओपन ऑल द टाइम.
स्क्वेअर आहे ना तो अल्युमिनियमच्या पत्र्यांशी कवर्ड आहे. मग फक्त एकच क्लॅरिफिकेशन हवं होतं की प्रोडक्टला आणि पाउचेसला डॅमेज नाही होणार ना ह्युमिड आणि हीटमुळे. बस. ओके ओके तसं. मी वेअरहाऊसेस आणि स्टोरेज प्लेसेस बघितले त्यांचे लिटरली याच्यापेक्षा जास्त ह्युमिड असतं. ते कीप इन टू द ब्राऊन कार्टन्स त्याच्यामध्ये प्रोडक्ट असतो. काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही. अगर आपल्याकडे ते ब्राऊन ह्याच्यात पण आले ना, वी जस्ट कीप द ब्राऊन. वी वोंट स्टिक इट टू द वॉल. वी वोंट स्टिक इट टू द फ्लोर. वी कीप इट ऑन द रॅक. आणि जामुनच्या हिशोबाने असं काढायचं, पायनॅपलच्या हिशोबाने असं काढायचं, मँगोच्या हिशोबाने असं काढायचं. आपले 3च एसकेयू आहे. ठीक आहे. मी आपण डिह्युमिडिफायर आणि फॅन किंवा डिह्युमिडिफायर मध्ये इन्व्हेस्ट करून देऊ. डोंट वरी. आय वोंट इव्हन मला काळजी माझा प्रोडक्ट काय होईल आणि काय.
Now you have to click a picture of that place and put it on Gemini. You didn't click a photo. Pasai. Bad government website. Rishi's laptop. My laptop. Say. Rishi's bottle. My bottle. वीकेंड चालू झाला वाटतंय. काय आहे फ्रायडे?
की रिलेटरच्या जागी जनरल मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगचं काहीतरी सिलेक्ट झालंय. आज होऊन जाईल का सर इश्यू आपल्याला ते? म्हणजे या आज उद्यामध्ये होऊन जाईल ना? एक मिनिट होल्ड करा. 1 मिनिट.
Which day specifically was?
सॅटर्डे संडे बंद राहील ना आज किंवा मंडे. मग
Let's go. That couldn't be. Say bye to my blog. More positioning idea. What we are discussing.
so random bro.
I'm a content creator.
Recording us.
I'm a content creator. I have to think. You can't possibly think.
Yeah.
That's
Good. What are you talking about?
So one more positioning. One more positioning idea is right. Of course, in like Fresh Bake, Food Square, some like gourmet stores, we can take place abroad because a lot of people come for looking for like imported stuff and like if you're kind of positioning there, so they'll think, huh, ये imported है? नहीं, ये तो इंडिया में होता है.
Like in Nashik right now, there's this gourmet store that has opened.
No, we don't.
Yes.
But only this place, no kirana store. We are not placing at kirana stores. We are just looking for gourmet. Okay.
May be the kirana store if you want to sell a bro. You're the one who don't fall into that trap. That is why you know how to create that trap.
Look at Pan's premium positioning.
Yeah,
Wow.
11. Pan.
What is our today's plan?
Today's plan is getting quotation from each and everyone and finalizing our budget for the upcoming 3 months.
Meaning, projected
Projected budget. that we need to-
because we are placing order for our products and for our prints. He was lucky night.
Yeah, I can't hear.
If your brand requires Fasai, please apply for it from day one. Before even naming the brand, get the Fasai on. So it has taken almost 2 weeks for that one license number, which technically is not even needed, for us. It's just आपण ते पुढच्यासाठी करून ठेवतोय or whatever. But because we are not like changing the product in any way. We are taking what manufacturer is gonna give us, and the manufacturer has their own FSI license. We don't need it technically, but because we are just relabelers, we require it. So stupid. Stupid.
But it's okay if done now, because later on again, if we started something and we really wanted it quickly, and if this would have happened, mess. Right now it is okay because we are setting it up now. Everything.
This road is so bumpy, just like that journey.
It gets to the best part.
Which will start when we launch.